Hi there, welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Well, we're headed to the Minnesota Four-Wheel Drive Association Spring Swap Meet. We got seat cover in the truck, Mara and Abby in the back. We're heading there for a meet and greet and to sell merchandise. It's at Afton Apple Orchard, and we'll be there today. I know it's too late for you guys watching the video, but every spring we go to the swap meet and sell merchandise and do our meet and greet, that type of stuff. It's in Afton Apple Orchard, Hastings, Minnesota. So maybe we'll see you there.
Hey, we even got Jemmy.
Oh yes, we have Jemmy too.
She didn't want to be in the shop today by herself. She wanted to come.
Yeah.
Slow down. It's going to be a beautiful day today.
Yes, it is.
They're saying almost 70.
Oh, wow. Well, we're coming into Stillwater. Historic, beautiful town in Minnesota, right on the river.
Yeah, and they got wonderful antique stores.
Oh, yes, they do. We'll have to stop sometime.
Well, we can stop. Well, maybe today.
I don't know if we can stop today. We'll have to see.
But I did see on Facebook there is a antique store in Volvoa, Illinois, that says it takes you 8 hours to look at the antiques.
That's a whole day.
Hours. I know. That's fantastic. So when are we gonna go?
I don't know.
That used to be a train depot.
Prison used to be there.
Yep, and the warden's house is still there. You can tour it.
Yeah.
There's an antique store up here that I love.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's fantastic, and they got a great. It's a mill, sort of old mill. Look how beautiful that thing is. Not open yet. There's the old bridge.
Yeah.
Where the red awning is, there's an antique store there. There's an antique store right here and right there. And then there's one back there more.
And there's even river boats. We don't have time to stop now. We got to get to the swap meet.
They're not open anyways. They don't open till 9.
Well, we'll be there about 9. Oh, you were saying the antique stores don't open till 9.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Well, we got to go to the swap meet. It opens at 9.
I know.
If you weren't able to make it to the swap meet, we will be at the Minnesota Four-Wheel Drive Spring Convention in Gilbert, Minnesota on
May 10th and 11th.
May 10th and 11th.
We'll have a booth.
We'll have the booth and be selling merchandise. And we will also be at Dresser, Wisconsin, Trollhagen ski area for the big Memorial Weekend event. We'll have the booth there and be able to meet and greet most of the time. We do a lot of recoveries that weekend.
Yeah.
We do. So, see us there. Well, we're here at the swap meet, and it's large, and there's lots of parts being swapped back and forth. We'll go take a look in a minute. Lots of parts. Whole vehicles. Project vehicles.
It's always good to learn.
I would be allergic to something.
Yeah.
I know they would be, yes. I know it, but I've never seen them. I don't know. Oh, well, I found it. Going backwards. In the back, it's like that little. I found it. Really sad the other day. Actually, hey, BSF.
Hey. Well, the swap meet's over. Time to go get something to eat. So, we're going to Texas Roadhouse since we're in the neighborhood. So what'd you get there?
Shrimp, mashed potatoes, and applesauce.
Okay, what did Abby get? Steak and potatoes. Loaded potatoes. All right.
Fries.
Well, loaded fries, yep. And I got a Texas size combo.
What did Charlie?
What did Charlie get?
He got a ribeye and some mashed potatoes and applesauce.
All right. So, we're eating at Texas Roadhouse. We'll catch you later. Well, I'm full.
So, since we're going back to Stillwater, I was wondering, are we gonna stop in Stillwater at an antique store maybe?
Oh, I suppose we could.
Thank you.
Yeah, we're coming.
We're walking at guy pace.
Take it off.
What you got there?
I'm guessing it's Dassel Quadrant, Bengal, Minnesota. Or a city, Ellsworth, Collinwood.
Toys and trains galore. Used to have a cooler like that.
Yeah.
Greyhound.
Yeah.
You know they were invented in Hibbing?
Yeah. I went to the museum.
Huh.
That's pretty. That'd be a pretty ring. That's very.
Wow.
What?
Look at that.
Oh, that's hot. Do you see the frog sprinkler?
Wow. This weighs 167 pounds and it's from Brazil.
Huh.
And it's $1,585. Can we get it?
No.
Look how pretty it is.
Yeah. Well, we didn't find anything we needed to have in that store. What'd you find?
Fudge.
Fudge. Oh.
And then this
She got some beer.
Oh, and some Dad's root beer
is for Brandon.
for Brandon.
Don't tell him.
Okay.
Is this a real tree?
Nope.
I could well that. No, I can't.
Okay, it fits. Well, sorry about the short video this week. We had a lot of things going on, and but we'll get back on it here. We got to build battery boxes for this and stuff like that. So we'll get back on it. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling. Be safe out there. Maybe we'll see you in the woods.